guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nick, or Nicole Freaks, whatever you want to call me, I really don't care. And today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Bratz Funk Out Fianna. But before we get started, I want to say something real quick. First of all, I'd like to apologize for being gone for a couple of weeks. And also, I'm not going to show my face today because I just don't want to and I feel lazy and I do not want to get ready. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the video. So this is Funk Out Fianna. She came out in 2004. And I got her on eBay via bidding for like $27, I believe. I'm not sure. 27 something. So this is what the box looks like. It's in like a trapezoid box shape, or like the iconic box shape, I should say. So here at the top corner, it says the Funk Out collection. Well, it says it actually says the Funk Out fashion collection. And then here it has her emblem, which is a perfume, the butterfly, and it's like turquoise. And then here is her, how she looks in the box. She got some forehead like Pennywise, but she's still pretty though. And it says Fianna in her font. I think that's how you say it. How she looks. And right there it says collectible. And it says exclusive moving, grooving, collectible card inside. And it's like in there somewhere. It's in there somewhere. I don't know where it's at though. So yeah. And then her brush is white. And then right here it says TLTY, Toy of the Year. And this is Bratz. Sorry for the glare. And then here it says Bratz in a metallic purple and blue. The glare is actually doing a good job for that, at least. Wow, it looks so pretty. That too. And then here it has the whole collection. A pretty big collection, I would say. I really want Nevra, but I'm not willing to pay over like $40 or $50 for her. So yeah. And it says warning, choking hazard, to not eat your damn toys. Ages 6+ and MG Entertainment. The girls with a passion for fashion. www.bratzpack.com. So yeah, love this artwork. And then the side is plain, and so is the other. And she does have a clear handle. And now here's the back of the box. So yeah, it says Bratz in like a dark blue or purple, I would say, with stars. And then right here it says create over 20 different funky fashion styles. And her artwork, which I love. So yeah, and it says Fianna. And with like a little bee line, I would say. And it says, hi, my name is Fianna. My friends call me the fragrance because I'm as sweet as I smell. Whatever that means. So yeah. And it says I come with 2 fashion tops, 2 fashion bottoms, 2 pairs of snap-on shoes, Bratz pack backpack, and a hairbrush. And here's the prototypes of the rest of the line. This is the Bratz pack, the Funk Out fashion collection, and it has Nevra, Fianna, Sasha, Jade, Chloe, Yasmin, and Dana. And it says collect a Funk Out Bratz and Bratz Boys. And it has like stars in the back. Best friends never looked this good. Well, it says best friends never looked this. Wait, I said it right the first time. And then MG Entertainment. So yeah. There's a look from the back. A 360 for you. A 360 I meant to say for you guys. So yeah. And here's the bottom of it for you curious people. And there's the barcode. So yeah, that was the box, and now let's start unboxing her. is what her card looks like. I forgot what these are called. Damn. And this is Bratz. And here are the two things it changes into. Damn, I really forgot what these are called. But yeah. It's pretty though. So this is what she looks like on her cardboard. Finally, no damn glare. So yeah, this is what her face looks like. She has a lot of floral and what's it called? Fringe. She's giving me hippie vibes, to be honest. It's hella 90s, no, early 2000s. And with these ugly chanclas or shoes. Damn, those are so ugly. But she wears them fine. So yeah. Bam. Honestly, how do they expect for little kids to be opening this by themselves? She is finally free. Damn, she is very pretty, even though she has a big ass forehead. Okay, now, so is it just me? Or like, why the hell are these always so sticky when they're brand new? Is it the type of paint they use or what? Because, what the hell? Like, for example, oh, it's not gonna do it. Like, normally, you would do this, and it would stick. Like, see, it like stuck to my hand. Like, see, what the hell is that? Look. There, see? Hella sticky. So she's officially out of the box. Finally free from 2004. So yeah, so this is what her face looks like. So she has these green eyeshadow in the crease with this pink, baby pink silvery eyeshadow on her brow bone, and with some baby pink eyeshadow. And she has some like olive green eyes. Her eyes are the same color as her eyeshadow in the crease. And then her eyes have like a hint of blue and a hint of brown. And she has 4 eyelashes. If you consider the last one eyeliner or not, that's up to you. And she has 2 bottom eyelashes. So yeah. And then she has some nude lips with some kinda purple-ish, pinkish lip liner. Hopefully you guys can tell. And then she has some golden hoop earrings. And she has this floral, kind of purple or blue bandana. I'm pretty sure there's a name for it, but I'm too stupid to know it. And with some dark purple, almost grapefruit, sunglasses. And her hair is in like an kind of like a up down hippie style. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like 2 strands and it like ties in the back and it's like twisted. The rubber band is all dried up and crusty and sticky, so I don't even want to mess with that. But yeah, and her thing keeps on falling off. And as for her top, she has this blouse. Oh, I want to say floral blouse because it has like some kind of like tree branches or leaves on it. And it's like this, I don't know what the color is, I'm not even gonna try to think about it. And it's like a spaghetti strap, and this thing keeps on wanting to fall off. It's hella annoying. And it has some like shiny golden material at the ends and crisscrossing on her chest, as you guys can see. And the thing fell off again, down. And she has this damn thing that keeps on falling off. I want to say it's a shawl, but don't shawls have like fur on them? It has like fringe on it. It's honestly really pretty, and it fell again. You guys get the point. It has like fringe on it. It's like a triangle piece, like a half triangle or a diamond, I guess. But this shit don't fall. Fuck that. So yeah, that's how it looks without it. And then, not to mention, I always end up forgetting small details like this. She has 2 turquoise bracelets and 1 golden one. And that one has nothing. And as for her jeans, I want to say these are bell bottoms because it's like tight and gets looser. Yeah, these are bell bottoms. So she has this belt. It's like a green and with like a reddish brown, and it has some silver material or like a stringing in the middle of it. And then she has these like floral or nature-ish pattern on it. It's glittery gold and with pink leaves. And right here it's like bleached out. And as you can see, and then as you guys can see, it gets like bigger. Pretty basic. Focus. So yeah. And these are what her shoes look like. Low-key, in real life, these are hella ugly, I'm not gonna lie. They're like sandal high heels. So yeah. They're like a black heel and with the purple-ish strap. So yeah, these looking hella funky. Yeah, these are a no-no in real life. But she rocks it. I'm going to be right back. I'm gonna change her into her second outfit. So this is what she looks like in her second outfit. This is what her bag looks like. It's like in this pleather material, and it does open, and it does have like a little metallic bead right there. And I don't know what the hell that is, a butterfly. But yeah, and one strap is broken. I don't know if it was already like that or because I opened it roughly. But yeah, but I don't even really use these, and it has some stuffing in there. But yeah, that's that. So this is what her second top looks like. It's in like a tank top with this blue glittery design on it, and it's kind of like a crop top, kinda. Like it's designed to look loose at the bottom, and it has these 2 brown ties at the shoulders. So yeah, and this is what her jean skirt looks like. And she has this belt. I don't know what this material is called. It has like a fringy strings, and each one has beads, clear beads at the bottom. And it has these flower things that connect the belt with 3 strings. And it has like a turquoise bead inside. So yeah. And then this is what her jean skirt looks like again. And it has like these little what's it call it, bleached or faded markings on the thighs and a little bit at the ruffles. And second layers, or 2 layers. It's a little flat, but you could like puff it up a little. So yeah, she kind of looks like she shops at Whole Foods. Hashtag vegan, hashtag not, I'm not vegan or anything like that, but yeah. She looks like a flower child. And these are her boots look like. They're like meant to look loose and wrinkly and like a tan color. And then the heel and the bottom is like a khaki color, I would say. So yeah. And then I also took off her bandana and her glasses so you guys could see her hair. So this is what her hair looks like. Whatever that hairdo was called. And that's what her forehead looks like. She got a forehead for days. But she's still pretty though. And let's try to put her sunglasses on. Her sunglasses don't fit her because she got a big ass head. Surprisingly, they don't fit her because they're loosed out because they used to be on her forehead. She didn't come with a poster because she came with this, which I don't really mind. So yeah, this is Fianna. But before we leave, let's check what's in here. And then it says Bratz, super styling stuff. The only girls with the passion for fashion. Fall 2003. Formal funk. Damn. And then I meant to say Wintertime Wonderland. And then Independence. And then New Year's Celebrate, I don't know. Whatever the hell that says. And then Funk and Glow. Sorry if I'm putting it all like crazy. And then a slumber party. And then the freaking spa that originally comes with Dana, but on the reissue, I believe it has the same exact doll right here. With the same screening, just different clothes. And then whatever that is. And then the styling heads, the Style It collection, fashion packs, shoe packs, Bratz Boys fashion packs and shoes, motorcycle, FM Cruiser, and whatever hell these are. Keychains. So yeah. I don't have the patience to put that back together, so yeah. And then obviously a white brush. Well, anyways, it has come to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I like to do polls on what you guys like me to review next. So yeah, it's literally like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm pretty sure, but I could be wrong. Always remember, stay freaky.